Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to list those telephone operators or carriers that will give you an iPhone 16 for free. No one is going to give you a free iPhone outside of maybe a giveaway or something. For everyone else, the best way to get a free iPhone 16 is through a special carrier deal. So first carrier is Verizon. New and existing customers can get a free iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Plus, or even iPhone 16 Pro from Verizon by simply trading in any phone, regardless of its condition. Just be aware that pre-orders don't start until Friday, but you can sign up now for a notification the minute sales go live. The only catch is the plan you pick matters. Those who are on Unlimited Welcome and Unlimited Plus will get $830 off with their trade-in, enough to cover the base model only. For those who sign up or already are on, the Unlimited Ultimate will get $1,000 off with trade-in, which opens the door for a free iPhone 16 Plus and iPhone 16 Pro. Second carries is T-Mobile. T-Mobile is offering the iPhone 16 or iPhone 16 Pro for free with trade-in. Prefer a bigger display? You can get the iPhone 16 Plus or iPhone 16 Pro Max for $830 and $1,000 off, respectively. This means you'll pay for the latter two devices, but it'll be less than $100 for the Plus and under $200 for the Pro Max. Fourth carrier is Boost Mobile. Boost Mobile also offers the iPhone 16 for free, but there are a few things to clarify first. T-Mobile and Dish's own fledgling 5G network. The offers here primarily apply to post-paid customers. Interested in prepaid service and thinking about getting the iPhone 16? While it's not as exciting as getting the phone for free, you can buy the iPhone 16 series from Boost Mobile's store at full price in return for a full year of free phone service. That's only a value of $300, but it's still a nice bit of extra savings. Thanks for watching guys, seeing you in next video.